Mastering FDA Import Regulations, a complete guide. Welcome back to our customs brokerage video series. In this video, we will dive deep into the process for importing goods that are subject to Food and Drug Administration (FDA) regulations. If you're involved in international trade and want to understand the steps involved in importing FDA-regulated goods, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The FDA plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and quality of various products being imported into the United States. Some of the goods subject to FDA regulations include food, beverages, drugs, medical devices, cosmetics, and dietary supplements. These regulations are in place to protect public health and promote consumer safety. When it comes to importing FDA-regulated goods, there are several key steps that need to be followed to ensure compliance. Let's break down the process. Determine FDA requirements. The first step is to determine the specific FDA requirements for the goods you are importing. This includes understanding the applicable regulations, product classification, labeling requirements, and any necessary permits or certifications. Register with the FDA. Prior to importing FDA-regulated goods, you need to register with the FDA and obtain a unique FDA registration number. This registration is required for both domestic and foreign food facilities, drug establishments, and medical device establishments. It is important to note that some products may require additional specific registrations or certifications. Prior notice of importation. Before importing FDA-regulated goods, you must submit a prior notice of importation to the FDA. This notice provides the FDA with important information on the imported goods, including the quantity, description, intended use, and the manufacturer and shipper information. Customs entry and FDA review. When the goods arrive at the U.S. port of entry, a customs broker will help you file a customs entry with the necessary shipping documents. Customs will then forward the FDA-regulated goods to the FDA for review. The FDA will evaluate the goods to ensure they meet the necessary safety and regulatory standards. FDA examination. Depending on the risk level associated with the imported goods, the FDA may conduct an examination or sampling of the products. This can involve physical inspection, laboratory testing, or reviewing the documentation provided. If any issues are identified during the examination, the FDA may take further action, such as requesting additional information, detaining the goods, or issuing import alerts. Release or detention. After the FDA completes its review, it will authorize the release of the goods if they comply with the regulations. However, if the goods do not meet the FDA requirements, they may be detained until the issues are resolved. In such cases, you'll need to work closely with the FDA to address any compliance concerns. The process for importing goods subject to Food and Drug Administration regulations can be complex, but by understanding the key steps involved in ensuring compliance with the FDA requirements, you can successfully navigate the process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore various topics related to customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer note below, and we'll see you next time.